Douglas insists on having their surname on the birth certificate, but Zethu refuses. Ngapha she's struggling with the baby alone. Lazarus wants to remain as CEO Yekusela, but Zoleka feels like she's being demoted. Mawethu's back is on the tech, but worries about his future. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Nsig is worried about Zethu says that Utumeka needs to step back a bit because they are like overwhelming her. It's better unokondla umathanzi abe the one to look after Zethu, like take care of Zethu and the baby after they go home. But Utumeka's like, nope, ndimu makhula lo mntana, I'm the granny, I will not be sidelined. Uhlathi to intervene at High Queen's Tushana, just like let it be, man. Yeka, awuyek. Now Zethu is being discharged from hospital and like she's so overwhelmed, like they're busy giving her tips on how to take care of herself and all that and the baby, but you can just see she's not there, she's not ready at all. Usiswake was asking Thokozile, have you thought about a name for the baby? But Zethu is like, yo, I'm scared of being with the baby alone. Thokozile reassures her, no, but I'm here, so I'm not going anywhere now, it's all right. Bafike ke umabandla uThumeka nomyeni wakhe uHlathi. Now they're overwhelming Zethu. Uthumeka is sure that Zethu is going to go home with them so that she can help take care of the baby. Afike ke uNtsiki nomntwana wanti auntie asking ukuthi ubani ozobamba umntana. Zethu rushed to say the baby must be given to uTata. Uthumeka was like, nope, me first. Athatha umntwana uSithushana athi akasemhle. Yo, umntana kaZethu akasemhle. She's so pretty. And already Uthumeka somnike negama ethi the baby's name is Uvakele. Imagine, did not discuss this with anyone. Ethi akasemhle umntana, her name is Uvakele. Bachintshane ngaye noHlathi ke, they're so excited ukuthi umakhulu utamkhulu. They're so excited. Now the uNtsiki wants to know so what's the baby's name going to be? Because at first Unsika was like, she has already registered the details of the mother and the father. Zethu, whose decision is that? Who said you can register ama details katata? Unsiki lies and says that umthetho kanjani because Zethu was supposed to have a decision on that. Ngapha igama lakhe Zethu names the baby Okuhle. They refuse that Okuhle Sithole gives her surname. But Okuhle Zethu, why Okuhle? Uthumeka says the baby is supposed to be Uvakele because it means that their prayers have been answered. God heard their prayers. Yo, I'm gonna lose it, but please, man, Ulikamva would have loved to have his name on the baby certificate. Hey, angene ke uThokozile athi manani, whoa. Please stop with this likamva that. Ukuphi yena ulikamva? This baby is not the return of likamva. Give Zethu a chance to decide what she wants. Uhlathi aqasuka athi hey wena, talk to why ungatshelanga those things to to the baby daddies abakho abaningi for your many children. Manje uyadelela lapho khwata man. Yo, they started making nice to themselves that yes, and everyone's busy talking about how the baby's making them feel. What about me as a mother? What about what the baby's making me feel? The baby's name is Okuhle Sithole, and that's it. Hey, uThokozile did not stop there. At when Ahlathi, don't you dare judge me. Ulibele kuthiweni Chamela endlini eyi-1, you impregnated or 2 sisters and gave them kids, so you can't be judging me. The next thing they want to know, Zethu is coming home with them. Zethu qha, we're going home. Mina noThokozile so right. The way Thumeka was so disappointed at how can Zethu do this to us after everything we've done for her. Zethu realizes when they help you, you're gonna have to pay them for the rest of your life. Now they're heartbroken sitting there, what are they going to do? And Uthulani was like, you know what, you can just use the name Uvakele when the baby's here. It doesn't matter even if I go birth certificate. But Xolani is coming with some crap where they can go to Home Affairs and prove and all that. Now they're bringing in Hlawulos. They also paid damages for the baby. Oh, the baby is so cute, Claire. And Zethu goes home, no Thokozile. And but I says over right when Anama was also scared. Thokozile receives a phone call. I don't trust Thokozile to be around. Thokozile always go out and party. Now the baby's crying. Zethu can realize that I cannot do this alone. There's no way. I feel like Zethu is going to take the baby and Thumeka. And after, if she goes and leaves the baby there, Thumeka will refuse to give the baby back. Sure, she'll be clinging on to that baby like hell. Manje, now they're thinking, Zoleka, they need to take gifts to Zethu. And Azande suggests that maybe you should just give her cash. Like nappies and formula are very expensive. She'll appreciate cash. But they're like, no, man, that's rude to just give people cash. I just you don't know how important it is to just give someone cash so that they buy what they need. Ngapha uZolega no Laz, they're planning their wedding. Apparently now that everything is done, they can focus on their wedding. Zolega wants to contribute to her wedding, but Lazarus is like, no ways. What kind of man would I be if I let you contribute to your wedding? It's like allowing you to pay, letting you pay your dowry. Imala Malobola, there's no way. You dream, I pay. Don't forget, because I've got deep pockets, deep pockets. Yo, Ulaz Betuna. Now Uzola is doing her things in the boardroom. Even promises Azande a chance to lead the European deal that they're busy with. And now Lazarus has come up with an idea that he wants to remain CEO Yasekusela, and Uzolega can lead the European, the international deals that they're currently busy with. But Uzolega did not handle that well, because she's like, you want to remain CEO? Are you forgetting that CEO position is mine? Actually, this is not about positions or whatever. I feel like it's the best strategy and whatnot. Uzolega hey, when Lazarus, when demoter in, I feel like there's gonna be a fight, because Uzolega is not gonna leave this hanging. Uzolega likes being in charge. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.